move on, and we have some more breaking inputs coming in at this point in time. Government of India has appointed Lieutenant General Dheeraj Seth as the next Chief of the Army Staff. India has got a new Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Dheeraj Seth. Let's go across to Srinjoy Chaudhary for more on this. Srinjoy, now this is an important development. India gets a new Chief of Army Staff. Tell us a little bit more about Lieutenant General Dheeraj Seth. Who is he?
General Dheeraj Seth has been Vice Chief for a while, and he was Army Commander before that. Now, it's been a long time since India had a chief from the Armored Corps. But General Dheeraj Seth, Lieutenant General Dheeraj Seth, as of now, is from the Armored Corps, and he will take over in perhaps 2 or 3 weeks on the 30th. And he has a lot of experience. He has been Vice Chief, he has been Army Commander, he has been Corps Commander, he has been GOC, he has ticked all the boxes. And of course, when he came in as Vice Chief, it was a clear message that he would take over as Chief. But of course, nothing is done till it is done. So therefore, General Seth will be the next Army Chief. Very experienced officer, very good man, thorough gentleman, and naturally, everyone wishes him the best of luck. But the question now is, who will take over as Vice Chief? Because 2 of the most senior officers in line to be Vice Chief are from the Armored Corps. Now, a lot of people will say, Armored Corps Chief, Armored Corps Vice Chief, is that okay? Well, it's entirely up to the government to decide. If the government thinks so, then fair enough. That's fine as well. So it's up to the government to now decide who will be the next Vice Chief of Armed Force, of the Army.
All right. Thank you very much, Srinjoy, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on this story. Let's